Let's review our 22mm push-button series, the Baco L series. Modular construction, simple and reliable attachment, easy to install. Assembling Baco push-buttons is quick and easy, so let's walk to this step. One unique feature of the Baco operation is the retractable tab. Drilling 22.3mm with or without notch. Panel thickness ranges from 1 to 6mm. Align the notch with the tab. Insert the head from the front of the panel, making sure the anti-rotation tab fits with the notch on your panel. The panel gasket enables one-hand mounting. Now add the mounting ring using the appropriate tool, the Baco tightening wrench LWA0234. The recommended torque is 3 Nm. Next comes the attachment of the clip with the contact blocks. Place the clip and the contact block in the correct position. The latch is pointing upwards at 12 o'clock and the latch is open in the off position. Have the short bracket of the contact block pointing upwards too. With a quick snap, secure the contact block onto the clip. Our contact blocks are stackable, which gives more options for variety. Our products are great because you can use the same contact blocks with either Baco 22mm heads or Baco 30mm heads. Then snap and lock the contact block and wire the panel as needed. The terminals come open and ready to be wired. They are rated IP20, in other words finger safe. To remove the adapter, unlock the latch from the right to the left by hand or using a screwdriver. Then pull back the adapter towards you. To disassemble a contact block, use a screwdriver to lift the lower tab. Thanks for watching this review of the Baco Push Buttons L series. For more information, please visit our website www.baco-international.com.